Now this is what a nice Goan lunch looks like. Looks delicious. I'm gonna dive in with my hand only because you just have to. This really feels like a nice bite of goodness. Goa is home to many cuisine, but if you're looking for exclusive Goan food, then Mom's Kitchen in Panjim is a definite visit.
Mom's Kitchen has been very dear to my heart because we have completed 28 years now and a very, very long journey, a lot of ups and downs. But I'm very pleased to be here, basically just for, educating people and the passion for food, because that's exactly what Mom's Kitchen is.
Okay.
To give the best of Goa.
Can you tell us about the menu? Because you are known for your Goan food.
Yes, we are. It's Goan food in both sides of Goa, where we have the Saraswat cuisine as well as the Catholic way of cuisine. Goa is that.
Approximately how many dishes do you can say that you have on your menu as of today?
As of today, I think I have around 80 to 120 dishes.
Okay.
My menu is so elaborate. Sometimes
and they're all Goan.
Everything. I don't have any other cuisine. No Mughlai, no Chinese or no Conti or anything. Very, very extensive Goa. In all respects, Goa has been very hard, very close to my heart, and I love doing anything that is related to Goa. So fish, whether it is fish, veg, yeah, people think veg there's nothing, but of course there is a lot of veg. We do a lot of veg, a lot of seasonal type of, we get local vegetables and things like that. So that is of course there. And of course we have other type of veg dishes like bude methi, katkates, which is the Saraswat way of the cuisine. So that also we inculcate over here. So
another feature about your menu is you all have a seasonal menu as well.
Yes.
So can you tell us about your current seasonal menu? Something about it.
For example, sansav, okay? It's a Saraswat cuisine. Now this is the time you get the small suckling mangoes. So we do of mangoes.
Oh.
So yeah. So we keep that momentum because every fruit that you get, it has its flavor by itself. And sansav is one type of a dish, that it's, it has that sweetness, it has that sourness, it has that, tanginess of the dish. And when you add all these type of vegetable or a fruit, it tastes different.
So we're going to try the mackerels. This looks delicious. Smells delicious. You can add a bit of this. Now we're going to try the mango sasu. Some rice. Looks delicious. I'm gonna dive in with my hand only because you just have to. This really feels like a nice bite of goodness. Eating at Mom's Kitchen really brought out the true Goan flavors. So if you're looking for exclusive Goan cuisine, visit Mom's Kitchen in Panjim. For more such travel and lifestyle content, don't forget to follow Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.